Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed about nested if statement. In this video, I am going to explain about switch statement. A switch statement allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values where each value is called as a case and the variable being switched on is checked on each switch case. Here, this is the syntax for switch statement. Here we are giving the switch string, that is the variable, and then we will be giving each and every case. This is the first case where if the case is matches, then it will execute the statement within this case. This is the second case. If the case is matches means it will execute the statements like that. It will check each and every case. If the case matches, then it will execute the statement within that particular case. This is the flow diagram for the switch statement. Here we can see we will be giving an expression. If the expression matches the case, it will execute the code within the case 1. Then it will give the result. If it is not matches means it will go to the next case, that is case 2, and it will execute the code within the case 2 block. Likewise, it will check for each and every case. If it matches means it will execute the statements within the block. There will be a default block where the default statement is given. If none of the above cases are satisfied, then it will execute the default statements. Let us execute one example with respect to this switch statement. Let us take an example. Let us set the value of, let us take the number of violations be 20. Let us write switch block. Dollar violations. Let us take the case as 30. Violations are greater than 20. Let us take another case. 15. Let us print violations are less than 20. Let us take another case which is 20. Violations are equal to 20. Let us write default statement which will print number of violations or dollar violations let us execute some statements. Should be equal to 20. Here we are taking different cases which within the switch block. Let us see what it will return. This is how it will return. This is the output for the given code. Here it is showing the number of violations are equal to 20. The number of violations should be equal to 20. Here we can see we have given a variable violations. We are giving the value as 20 to the violations. We are checking for dollar violations, that is 20. If the case matches 20, it will print the statement within the case. So here we can see the first case is 30, which didn't match the switch statement. So it is going to the next case. This is also not matched to the condition. So it will go to the next case which matches exactly with the violations. So it is printing the statement within this case, that is violations are equal to 20. Here we can see. Then it will go to the statements after the switch statement. So here I have given like number of violations should be equal to 20, that it is printing. This is how we can use switch statement for different cases. In VLSI, we are checking for violations. We can use this to check whether the violations are less than 20, like that. We are using this for the range of violations, at what range the violations are. If the violations are not less than certain amount, like certain value, we can rerun the design. Likewise, we can check the number of violations by using the switch case. Try to practice more examples so you will get more idea. In the next video, I will explain about nested switch statement.